Okay, let's finish up part 2, starting with number 8. So keep in mind we have, if we set this up this way, we need the denominator to be a whole number. So if it's a whole number, we move that one spot over, which means that we move that one spot over. So really I've got 22.44 divided by 6. Okay, 6 goes into 22 3 times. I subtract, I have a 4, I can bring down the first 4. 6 goes into 44 7 times, that's 42. I have a 2, I can bring down this 4, and then 6 goes into 24 exactly 4 times, and we bring that decimal straight up. So our answer should be 3.74. All right, number 9. Two students have different ways of calculating 0.75 times 0.059 as a decimal. Show in detail how each student might compute. So Judah says, I find 75 times 59 and then move the decimal point. So if we take 75 times 59, we can definitely do that. And 63 plus 4 is 67. 5, carry my 2 instead. 37. When I add that, I'm going to come up here and have a 5, 12, carry my 1, that's going to be a 4, and carry my 1, that's going to be a 4. So I have 4, 4, 2, 5 when I just multiply, but the decimal point is what I need to worry about. So we had moved it 2 this way, 3 this way, so that means there's 5 that we need to move it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I have to add the 0, so my answer is going to be 0.04425. The other option, whoops, wrong way there. So the other option is Ben says that 0.75 is the same thing as 3/4, so I found 3/4 of 0.059. So if I take 3/4 of 0.059, keep in mind that would be over 1, so I'm going to take 3 times the 0.059, and then I can just divide it by 4. Whoops. I'll multiply it by 3 first. So I got 7, 2, 15, 16, 17, carry my 1, and that would be a 1. So I have 0.177. So if I'm going to divide 0.177 divided by 4, 4 goes into 17 4 times. But I have a 0 here because of the fact it doesn't go into the 1, and I have my decimal point there. So I'd have a 16, bring down a 7, goes into 17 4 times. I'd have a 1, so I'd have to bring down a 0. 4 goes into 10 twice. It's an 8. I can add another 0 to bring down, and 4 goes into 25 times. So yes, our answer is the same. We have that on both of them. So yes, we could do either way. And then number 10, a stack of 25 coins is 1.265 inches tall. So there's 25 coins here. They're stacked up. There's 25 all together here. I'm not going to try all 25, but it is a total of 1.265. We need to know what one of those is. So really, we've got to divide it up to figure out what one of those are. So we're going to take 1.265. We're dividing it by 25. Well, there's only a decimal here, so I'm just going to bring it up. 25 doesn't go into 12, so I'll put a 0 here, but 25 does go into 126 5 times. That's 125. I have a 1, and I can bring down my 5. 25 does not go into 15, so I have to put a 0 there. And I can add a 0 to bring it down. And 25 does go into 150 6 times. That is exactly 150. My answer is going to be 0.0506 inches. Okay, again, if you're listening, I want you to put a star below number 10. That way we know that you have not only watched, but you have listened. Good luck on the test.